Today, we are going to explore the aspects of individual differences through asking questions from the students here in Mindanao State University main campus. Hello and good afternoon. I am with Mary Erish. My question for you is what is your first impression when you enter here and MSU?
So my first impression basically kay scared because it is known as an Islamic community, right? So from what I've heard sa mga stories or sa mga people outside the MSU na um, nakakatakot talaga dito. So yan yung first impression ko.
Have you experienced culture shock here in MSU?
Yes.
So, did you have any difficulties to adjust, and how did you adjust your culture practice?
In terms naman sa difficulties in adjusting, for me kay wala naman. I find it hindi ako nahirapan sa pag-adjust sa dito sa stay ko sa MSU.
Okay, so my second question is when you are stressed, do you prefer being alone or hanging out with your friends then?
Depende kay there are times no na I prefer being alone. What I do kay pray lang ay kanang nag-read ako ng Bible kasi sa through scanning the words of the Bible from the Bible kay it gives me peace and comfort. And if may mga times din na I also prefer na mag-spend ng time with friends na going out kay para makalimutan yung stress.
Okay, so can you recall a time when you are stressed and how did you manage your stress?
So the most I the most recent na na stress ako kay kagabi because I was doing homework sa phone. Tapos hindi pala siya naka-save sa file, so and then the deadline is 11:59 p.m. Tapos yung time nun kay 9 p.m. So ilang oras na lang para mag-deadline and then hindi pala siya naka-save sa phone ko. So kailangan ko siyang ulitin again. So nakaka-stress 'yon na scenario.
So, paano mo i-manage your stress?
Una kong ginawa nun kay ang tawag doon, nagdabog ako, nagdabog. Kasi nakaka-stress talaga siya. Pero within a minute naman, medyo inisip ko na lang na I need to be composed. Kumbaga kanang wag ko munang isipin. Kumbaga kailangan ko munang unahin yung kailangan ko muna siyang unahin na gawin dahil nga malapit na yung deadline.
Yes, that's true. So, my third question is, do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
For me, siguro nasa middle kasi oo kay it ano bitong nagdepende siya depende siya if sa mga person na I'm with, like for example I'm with my close friends talaga or family, so lumalabas yung pagiging extrovert side ko. And if naman sa mga tao na nakakasalamuha ko just once or kanabitong yung first time ko palang ma-meet, nahihiya ako, so introvert type ako pag ganyan.
So, do you prefer to go out alone or in a group of friends? Then why did you prefer being alone and are you afraid of talking?
Mas prefer ko with friends. Even before, prefer ko with friends kasi kasi mas happy genuinely yung happiness ko pagdating sa kanila.
So that's all. Thank you. Hey everyone, again I am with Mary Erich. So this is the continuation of the interview of my partner, Miss Dio. Okay, so for the first question sa aking part, is there any changes in your personality traits when you are communicating? Yes. So how do you behave in a situation like in group discussion or inside a classroom?
Depende pa din sa situation kay may mga times na I'm active when giving ideas or suggestions in group discussion. Pero may mga times din na hindi ako nagsasalita. Ganun.
Okay, so how do you prefer to learn new information or knowledge?
For me, mas mapaprocess ko yung information when taking down notes. Ako mismo yung nagsusunod.
So is it really effective?
Yes, effective siya. Kahit hindi ko siya na-memorize, pero pag, if I'm facing with that question na, like for example sa exam, if madali ko siyang masagutan, madali ko masagutan yung exam.
What motivates you to achieve your goals?
What motivates me to achieve my goals? The first one, there's two factors. The first one is that I want to have my own money para makapag-travel ako from places to places. And then the second one is of course my family because I love to spoil them ng mga things na hindi nila nakuha ngayon. So gusto kong ibigay yun sa kanila in the near future.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you, Miss Mary.
So good day everyone. So I am with, what's your name again? Good afternoon everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. Mayong adlaw sa tanan. Greetings of peace and prosperity to all of you. And by the way, I am Francian Maglangit Lorente, a BT-led fourth year student from the Department of Home Economics.
So my question to you, Ate, is what is your first impression when you enter here in MSU?
My first impression entering here in MSU was, I am impressed. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko pa kanina, na-fall in love ako nung nag-stop by kami sa Aga Khan. Kasi di ko in-expected the culture of Maranao was this vibrant. Kasi sabi nga nila, huwag ka pumunta dyan kasi na puro gyera lang dyan. But here na ano ko sa sarili ko mismo na maganda nga.
Okay, so how you experience culture shock here in MSU?
For some moment in my life, I feel culture shock kasi nga I am not really used to mga bagay na parang normal lang pala sa kanila yung parang magsigawan lang. Or kasi doon ako na siya, normal lang pala sa kanila yun. Yun lang naman. Na ano ko na, ganun talaga pala sila magsalita. I must learn how they live talaga.
So did you have any difficulties to adjust, and how did you adjust your culture practice here in MSU?
I didn't find it hard to adjust kasi ako na tao ay isa sa prinsipyo ko is that ayaw ko yung ibang taong mag-adjust sa akin. Ako yung pumunta dito. So, I will be the one to make an adjustment.
Okay, so my second question is, when you are stressed, do you prefer being alone or hanging out with your friends?
When I am stressed, I can do both. Gusto ko maging alone. Sometimes, gusto ko din with my friends. Kasi I am a bubbly person. Minsan, hindi nila napapansin na stress na ako kasi na I am like the clown in the group. Palatawa kasi ako. Kaya yun siya. Hindi ko naaano na, parang feeling ko kapag alone ako, kapag stress ako, kaya parang feeling ko na, ay, pangit siya. Kasi parang magiging drowning siya sa akin. Kaya I will I would prefer to be filled with the presence of others.
So, can you recall a time when you are stressed and how did you manage your stress?
I can recall a moment where I am so stressed. Wala namang wrong sa umiyak, di ba? Kapag nag-breakdown ka talaga na iisipin mo na hindi mo na kaya, it is okay not to be okay and it is okay to cry out everything that you feel, the heavy burden na na-feel mo inside. Yun yung ginawa ko lang, nag-pray ako, umiyak ako, and then that was it. I was healed.
Okay, so my third question is, do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
Extrovert talaga ako na person.
So, do you prefer to go out alone or in a group of friends?
Sometimes there are times that I wanna go out with my friends, but most of the time gusto ko talaga alone akong naglalakad kasi sanay akong umuwi ng gabi, even 7 p.m. pa nga, umuwi ako ng dito sa MSU, umuwi ako just by walk lang talaga ng gabi. Fisheries pa ako dito to fisheries, naglalakad lang ako. I didn't feel hindi safe yung MSU, lalo na ngayon na Ramadan.
So, my last question is, why do you prefer being alone and are you afraid talking to other people?
Hindi naman sa I am afraid talking to other people, that's why I chooses to be alone. But alone time kasi is my me time and that's the time where I can think the most of the specific task I need to do. Kasi kapag alone kasi ako, doon ko nabe-breakdown lahat ng mga kailangan kong gawin na kasi minsan kasi kapag may kausap ako, nadadivert yung attention ko. So, napapag-iwanan ko yung dapat na gawin ko, dapat isipin ko, ganun siya. So, that's why I prefer to walk alone. Not because I am afraid to talk with others, but because I think being alone is what makes me productive.
Okay, thank you, Miss Franchan.
Good day everyone. Again, I am with Ate Franchan. Okay, so for my question, is there any changes in your personality traits when you are communicating?
I think there are changes in me because I know people come in your life for a purpose. And most of the time talaga na nakakasalamuha ako ng mga iba't ibang tao. Doon ko na-realize na, itong tao na to tinuturuan niya ako maging pay. Kasi na minsan, alam naman talaga natin, hindi tayo magiging in denial. Be honest, people are born in a unique way. We have different attitude. Lalo na everyday we woke up with different feelings. So, I think meron talaga changes within.
Okay, thank you, Ate. So how do you behave in a situation like in a group discussion or inside a classroom?
How do I behave? So, I really behave well. Hindi naman yung parang steady ka lang or passive, stagnant. But most of the time when in the activities, talaga ako, napipili ako maging leader. I was active doing brainstorming or crafting anything. Ganun talaga ako. Like, nag-move talaga ako. Like, ito yung gawin natin. Ayoko yung walang ginagawa.
Okay, so for that, how do you prefer to learn new information or knowledge? Like, ano yung study techniques?
My study habits. So, my preferences regarding in learning something new is to explore, discover, lalo na hindi talaga ako techie. I'm not in the, in the techie, but I've learned how to manage technology tools kasi na yun talaga yung pinaka-need. Kasi nga, nandito tayo sa digital age, we need to learn paano gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay through technology, right? So, prefer ko talaga na mag-explore, lalo na sa mga technology. Binabasa ko yung mga instructions kung paano siya susundin.
Okay, so kapag hindi ka nag-take note, like for instance, kapag nag-study ka, you take note mo yung...
Nag-take note ako. I love writing. Whenever my teacher discusses, kasi di ba dito naman sa college, our teacher is just facilitating with us. Di na nila need mag-write sa board. So I really have that one notebook, which is color purple kasi yun yung favorite color. ganun talaga ako. Every time na may magtotalk dyan sa harap na professor, nagtitake note talaga ako para hindi mawala sa isip ko. Kasi di ba yung notebook, nandyan lang siya. Pero kapag nakikinig ka lang, madaling mawala yung nalilurn.
So is it really effective? So for the last question, what motivates you to achieve your goals?
What motivates me to achieve my goals? So, isa talaga sa reason why I really want to pursue a tertiary education and have to finish and to have a degree. It's because of my mom. Siya talaga yung biggest inspiration ko. Siya yung pinagugutan ko ng lakas because isa talaga sa pangarap niya is makapagtapos ako. And gusto ko siyang maging masaya. And seeing her smile is what makes me even more, yun yung parang nagpapaano talaga sa akin na mag-strive ako hard sa pag-aaral ko. Kasi siya talaga yung mom ko.
So how about your may siblings?
May siblings din, may family. Kasi nga, nag-aaral tayo para makatulong sa family natin. And I really want also na makapagtapos din ng pag-aaral yung mga kapatid ko. And I am halfway in meeting that goal. Sana nga ipagkaloob ni Allah on the right time. So, yun siya.
So thank you, ate.
So, actually,
Ako po si Dimarisa Aquino from BSC Philippines. Ang impression ko po is that kapag naririnig mo yung MSU is that high quality education yung ibinibigay mo. How do you experience it? Yes po, since yung MSU po is diversity po siya. So, minsan kumbaga, nagkakaroon din ng adjustment. Kasi nga iba-iba yung mga kultura na meron dito sa atin. Para po sa akin, hindi po siya nagiging kumbaga mahirap kasi kumbaga kung marunong kang rumispeto sa mga kultura ng ibang mga tao is that nagiging maganda siyang ehemplo para sa dito sa emisyon na mayroong iba't ibang kultura.
For the second question, when you are stressed, do you prefer being alone or hanging out with your friends?
I prefer hanging out with my friends po kasi nakakapagbigay po sila ng kasiyahan sa akin at para ma-avoid ko or malisin ko yung stress na meron ko.
So when you recall a time when you are stressed, how did you manage your stress?
Namamanage ko po yung stress ko when it comes to pag-watch or panunood ng mga series na nagbibigay sa akin ng kasiyahan para malimutan ko yung mga stress na nararamdaman ko.
for the third question, so, do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
I consider myself as an introvert po kasi para po sa akin introvert po ako kasi nagkakaroon po or nakikipagsalamuhan po ako sa mga kaklase ko or sa mga professor ko po when it comes to kumbaga sa iba't ibang skills po.
Do you prefer to go out alone or
I prefer going out with my friends po kasi yun nga, iba yung vibes na naibibigay po nila sa akin.
For the fourth question, is there any changes in your personality traits when you are communicating with other people?
For me po, yes. Kasi nabibuild niya po yung communication skills ko po when it comes to communicating sa mga kaklase ko or yung mga professor.
So how do you behave in a situation like in a group discussion or inside a classroom?
Nagiging observant po ako sa surroundings ko po. Hindi ko po, kumbaga, inuuna yung sarili ko sapagkat ako po is that open-minded po ako sa klase ko.
for the fifth question, so how do you prefer to learn new information or knowledge?
binibigay ng mga guro or ng mga kaklase ko sa aming classroom.
For the last question, what motivates you to achieve your goals?
The motivation ko is that yung parents ko, sila yung number one motivation ko para ma-achieve yung goal ko sa life, para na din maibigay ko sa kanila yung pangangailangan nila, at the same time yung pangangailangan nila sa person.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And that's it for our third participant.
What's your name?
I am Shalhani Emerauto, and I'm from Luzon.
Okay, so my question for you is, what is your first impression when you enter here in MSU?
My first impression is, alam naman natin na laganap na sa amin sa probinsya na ang MISU system ay standard and high quality ang edukasyon na binibigay nito sa mga mag-aaral.
For the second question, when you are stressed, do you prefer being alone or hanging out with your friends?
Me, sa standing ko ngayon, gusto ko maging alone.
Why?
Dahil meron din na kapag gusto ko yung time ko ay sa sarili ko na lang ibigay. Yan.
Me time.
Yes.
Okay, so can you recall a time when you are stressed and how did you manage that stress?
Ako, na-overcome ko yon through sleeping.
Okay.
Do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
I am extrovert.
So do you prefer to go out alone or in a group of friends?
I am an extrovert pero mas gusto ko pong maging alone.
Okay. So why do you prefer being alone?
Dahil yun nga, gusto kong yung time ko ay ibigay ko naman sa sarili ko dahil minsan parang wala na akong time sa sarili ko. Puro activity, puro sa klase lang, ganon. So gusto ko naman bigyan ng oras ang sarili ko.
For the fourth question, is there any changes in your personality traits when you are communicating with other people?
Not totally kasi parang nasa sa akin na talaga yung pakikipag-usap sa iba or kahit ngayon ko lang siya nakilala, so parang turing ko na sa kanya ay kaibigan or close friend, gano'n.
So, talagang extrovert. So, how do you behave in a situation like in a group discussion or inside the classroom?
So, kapag sa klase naman may discussion, so kailangan natin makinig para naman makuha natin ng mabuti yung binibigay na kaalaman ng ng guro or ng mga kaklase mo sa silid-aralan.
Study habits like, kapag nag-study ka, ano mas prefer mo? Nasa, yung nagsusulat, alone ka, read aloud.
So, gusto ko ay alone ako at isinusulat ko yung mga keywords na dapat pag-aralan. So, yun.
For the last question, what motivates you to achieve your goals?
My first and yun, talaga ang pinaka-motivation ko sa pag-achieve ng goal ko ay yung parents ko. Yun, dahil sila yung inspiration ko sa pag-aaral, yun, dahil sila yung nagbibigay sa akin ng lahat.
Okay, so that's it for our fourth participant. Thank you.
What's your name po?
I'm Christopher Lastimaco from the College of School.
So my first question for you is, what is your first impression when you enter here in MSU?
My first impression is huge, malaki. Kasi nag-expect lang ako na normal lang siya na public school, di ba na malaki. So pagpasok ko dito, meron talaga na napatid ko na malawak talaga siya na malaki.
Have you experienced culture shock in here in MSU?
Culture shock. Kaya mag-pray, doon ako na-shock. Kasi di naman ako religious person. So like knowing na, ganun pa sila dito. Nababaguan ako ng conception at mga ganun. Tapos sa mga ano din nila, sa mga pagkain din nila na mga may kulay dilaw, ganun. At ganun pala yung mga pagkain nila dito. So first question is up until now, nahirapan rin ako mag-adjust kasi syempre kaya ako malayo na ako sa family ko. So, lala talaga yung homesickness ko. And then, ito naman sa set, dito sa inaayon ko lang siya sa sitwasyon. Kasi like for example, ngayong Ramadan is, ngayon ko lang din naman na nalaman na bawal talaga kumain kahit saan, kahit sa labas na industry. Bawal magdala ng pagkain, bawal magdala ng tubig. So like, napatiayon talaga sa lugar yung pagkakapatay gutom mo.
Actually, it's not bad. May privilege siya sa babae kasi kapag may menstruation sa pwede siya pwede mag-fasting. Ang ano lang, kaya siya nakatawag na bawal kasi para nag-disrespect kasi yung mga Muslim na nag-fasting. So, iisip na lang ng mga Christian na huwag ipakita na may dala silang pagkain. So, for the second question, when you are stressed, do you prefer to eat or hang out with your friends?
Pag stress ako, I prefer everyday alone. Kasi doon sa sarili ko. Pero ako naman, alis nasisig pa rin ako ng advices from my especially sa mga parents ko. Nasisig ako ng pag-friend sa kanila na, ano na gawin ko para dito, So like kahit alone ako, kahit mag-isa ako, basta nasisig pa rin ako ng advice ko na sa parents.
Okay, so can you recall a time when you are stressed and how did you manage that stress?
Maybe noong last semester, syempre kay freshman na ako, so nababaguan talaga ako sa college. So hindi ako nasanay na mabutan ako ng morning. Mabutan ako ng morning na wala activities naman. So itong one time na stress na to is halos routine na siya. Like, kasi ako hindi man gumagana yung utak ko kapag morning. So like, yung talaga sa gabi talaga ako gaganan mag-kilos, gano'n. So yung talaga, mga 12 a.m., mga past midnight, is doon na talaga nahihit sa akin. Doon na nahihit yung pressure, na yung stress. Ano gagawin para ako maiyak, pero wala akong choice kasi choice ko naman ito eh. So, gano'n. And, tapos I manage it sa pamamagitan ng since kaya wala man akong pasok last semester, Friday and Saturday. So like, Thursday night hanggang Fridays, magpapahinga ko, matutulog ako. Ganun, yun ang ginagawa.
Okay, so do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
I consider myself as an introvert kasi maingay lang ako kapag kasama ko yung mga close friends ko. Tsaka tahimik din pag nasa ibang lugar.
So do you prefer to go alone or in a group of friends?
Kung kahit na introvert ako, syempre gusto ko rin gumala sa mga friends ko. Kasi ayaw ko naman gumala mag-isa, lalo na sa sitwasyon ngayon na delikado na, sulit talaga na may kasama. So, go out with my friends.
For the fourth question, is there any changes in your personality traits when you are communicating with other people?
Wala. Kung ano ako inside the house, yun pa rin outside the house. Pero maliban na lang kung when it comes to academic related. Kasi lalo na sa reporting, lalo na sa oral recitation, talagang magiging nonchalant ako bigla. Parang nawawalan ako ng boses. Kasi pag ako tinawag yung pangalan ko na talaga, mag-clouded yung utak ko, wala akong maisip na matino. Hindi ako makapag-isip ng matino.
How do you prefer to learn new information or knowledge your mga study habits mo kung nasusulat ka ba, or yung mga ginagawa mo din, is it effective?
For the fifth question, is there any changes in your personality traits when you are communicating with other people? Wala. Kung ano ako inside the house, yun pa rin outside the house.
Is it effective?
first question is, syempre during discussion sa morning is, pag nagdi-discuss yung mga process, hindi talaga siya, nakikinig ako, pero parang lumalagpas dito. Parang, every time na magaganon siya sa front, parang naglulutang ako, parang nakikinig pero hindi, na-absorb talaga. So yun, ang ginawa ko is every night, yun lang, mag-self-study ako, iintindihin ko yan. Siyempre, mag-i-encode kasi ako kahit hindi man ako, tamad man ako magsulat, so hindi talaga na-encode. So yun, pag mag-notes ako, i-encode ko siya, tapos pag-aaralin din. Pagkatapos nun is, yun, mag-suspend, mag-bibilar. Ano mas tagal sa bilar? Magpuyat, ganon. So yun, and effective pa siya or hindi? Oo, effective siya para sa akin. Kasi, yun yung same technique na ginagawa ko up until now.
For the last question, what motivates you to achieve your goals?
What motivates me is, syempre, yung family ko. Kasi sila lang naman yung dahilan bakit ako nandito. Sila lang din yung nagpara sa akin. So, dapat gawin ko din, sukli ko din sa kanila yung mga paghihirap nila, gano'n. Kasi yung goal ko talaga is maging mayaman. Hindi makaprovide ng bahay sa kanila na mahiwalay. Kasi kami is, nag-stay lang kami sa bahay ng lola ko. So yung pangarap ko talaga is, magkagawa kami ng bahay, na sarili namin bahay, na kami lang magpamilya ng dito.
Thank you very much, Ms. Lastima, and that's it. What is your name?
Hello, I'm Cherry Jeanine Mazihar from the Bachelor of Early Childhood Education.
And now, we will proceed to our questions. So my first question is, what is your first impression when you enter here in MSU?
My first impression of MSU was, of course, as a Christian from a Christian area, I got a lot of negative information regarding this place. So I thought that this place was unsafe. There's a lot of dangerous people. But as time goes by, I settled in, and this place is not so bad as people think.
So how do you experience culture shock here in MSU?
There was a time that actually I was very used to the presence of the Maranao Muslim people because most of my neighbors were Muslim in Maranao. But there was one thing that I was totally shocked about: the shaking of the hands, not touching the dudes.
So do you have any difficulties to adjust, or how do you adjust your cultural practices here in MSU?
Actually, like I said, I was used to, I was very used with the people, because of the people around me. Yeah, and that's why I did not really have any trouble adjusting.
Okay, so for the second question, when you are stressed, do you prefer being alone or hanging out with your friends?
When I'm stressed, I actually prefer being alone because even if I am very socially capable, I am fine with communicating with people. Don't have any trouble with that, and people mostly perceive me as an extrovert. I recharge my social battery through isolation.
So can you recall a time when you are stressed and how did you manage that stress?
When I am stressed, I actually sleep. I sleep and I read and watch movies.
My third question for you is, do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
I would consider myself an ambivert because, like I said, even if I'm becoming like an introvert with social abilities. I can communicate with people well. But I prefer being alone most of the time.
So do you prefer to go out alone or in a group of friends?
Though I said I want to be alone most of the time, I actually like going out with friends because it's more fun with friends if you are out there, and of course it ensures your safety. Yeah.
Okay, so for the fourth question, is there any changes in your personality when you are communicating with other people? Like personal, maybe traits?
It actually depends on the person I'm talking with. Yeah, if I am not so close to them, of course, or the person is much older, or the person has a more esteemed position than I am. Of course, I speak formally. I have to suppress the usual personality that I show to my friends. Yeah, the way I speak to strangers and the way I speak to my close friends are totally different.
Okay, so how do you behave in a situation like in a group discussion or inside of the classroom? How do you behave?
Usually I behave very cheerfully. I think a lot of people would agree to that. But it actually really depends on the situation I am in. Example, like I'm in a bad mood, I tend to be silent. But it also depends on the atmosphere of the classroom. If something is wrong in the classroom, of course we know how to read the room, and I know how to suppress my usual personality.
Question for you is, how do you prefer to learn new information or knowledge? Is it your study habits?
I like to think, it actually depends on how interesting the topic is. If I find the topic very interesting, I don't have any trouble remembering it, even if I don't take notes. But if I find a topic like example, usually academic topics, things that we learn from school, I like writing it down and then reading it and then highlighting it and doing it all over again.
So for the last question, what motivates you to achieve your goals? Your motivation?
No, actually, I guess my motivation is, I guess my family. My family is the most important person in my life.
Family na lang.
My family, my family, dad, and my
Okay, thank you very much. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
I am Aida Pilong,
From what department or college?
elementary education.
Okay, education. So now we'll proceed to our questions. For the first question,
Okay, my first question for you is, what is your first impression when you enter here in MSU?
So I think my first impression is that yung student here are very well educated and disciplined, and also the campus itself is very competitive when it comes to education.
So, do you have any difficulties to adjust, or how did you adjust your personal business here in MSU?
So far, hindi naman ako masyadong
okay, so for the second question, when you are stressed, do you prefer being alone or hanging out with your friends?
I think being alone kasi more on manonood ng mga movies, tsaka tulog, ginagawa ko pag stress.
So can you recall a time when you are stressed and how did you manage that stress?
Just like what I mentioned earlier, yung ginagawa ko nanonood na lang ng movies or tinutulog ko na lang.
My third question is, do you consider yourself as an introvert or extrovert?
I think mas ambivert pero mas lamang yung introvert na side.
So do you prefer being alone or in a group of friends?
Being mostly, mas gusto kong pero okay lang din sa akin if kailangan kong binibigyan ng time yung TikTok tsaka yung pag-review ng notes.
So for the last question, what motivates you to achieve your goals?
I think what motivates me is my personal interest din sa school and also my family. I have to, sa family ko, kailangan kong mag-aral para sa family.
Okay, so thank you very much, ma'am. And that's it. The basic thing to do to accommodate and respect these differences in learning and social environments is, of course, to have a good relationship with others. When you have a good relationship with others, that's the time when you will learn how to respect and you will learn how to accept the differences among the people. For my reflection, me and my partner Miss Dio encountered difficulties while conducting this video because our schedules were not aligned, so we conduct this video right after the dismissal of our class in the afternoon. But Alhamdulillah, we made it, and yeah, we finished this activity.